What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kev from the Beard Club, and I'm here to give you a rundown on our Accelerator line of products. These products are perfect for anyone who's just starting out on their bearded journey, or if you're looking to grow a fuller and thicker beard than ever. This accelerator has 10 stimulating oils designed to promote a healthier, fuller, and thicker beard by strengthening and moisturizing the roots, thickening the follicles, and eliminating that itch associated with growing a new beard. So I typically use the growth oil twice a day, once during my morning routine and then once again at night. We got our growth vitamin spray. This sends a moisturizing, nutrient-packed mist with essential vitamins including vitamin D and biotin, which hydrate, nourish, and rejuvenate stagnant beard hairs. Now, I typically use this twice a day, once in the morning when I'm wrapping up my beard routine and I'm heading out the door, and then once again at night. All right, our growth vitamins. Now, this is hands down one of the most overlooked hacks when it comes to taking your beard to the next level, right? Every time we talk about beard care, we always talk about the oils, we always talk about the sprays, we always talk about the combs, but we forget it starts on the inside. Our vitamins are packed with 20 plus essential vitamins, including zinc, MSM, biotin, and vitamin D, which support immunity and healthy testosterone production. The question we get all the time is, when do I take my vitamins? Now, you have two options. You can either take them first thing in the morning or right before you go to bed. No matter what you choose, the key is to stay consistent. Meet the Beard Club's new Derma Roller. So if you're anything like me, you're probably asking the question, how is a Derma Roller gonna help me get a better beard? But let me break it down for you. The 540 titanium-coated microneedles gently puncture your skin. This minor injury triggers nutrient-rich blood and collagen-rich tissue, which stimulates new facial hair growth, activates dormant hair follicles, and improves overall skin texture. All right, now that you know how it works, here's some pro tips. Use your Derma Roller twice a week. Make sure that the area that you're treating is clean before and after using your Derma Roller. Lastly, make sure you give your skin some time to heal, preferably about an hour or two, before diving back into your beard routine. And if you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial on how to use your Derma Roller, click the link in the description of this video.